First, remove all the transit bolt assemblies. Remove transit bolts by turning them counterclockwise with a spanner. Check to see if all transit bolts have been removed. Place a hole cap on each of the holes where the transit bolts were. Your second step is all done. Great job! Now, let's check if the washing machine is sitting level. Check for jiggling by pushing down on the corners from above. Place the spirit level on the top of the washing machine. If it is not level, turn the nut to adjust the height on the unstable side. Then, check Watson with the level. Now you're good to go.